She's 80, but she doesn't move, talk, or live like she's 80. Her doctor says she has the heart of a 40-year-old. Her neighbors call her the woman who doesn't age. But Eleanor Grace says it's not luck. It's 5 small things done every single day that changed her body, her mind, and her life. Stick around till the end, because these 5 daily habits aren't about staying young. They're about feeling alive again. Before we start, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, because after you hear Eleanor's story, you'll never see aging the same way again. Eleanor lives in a quiet town by the sea in Maine. She lost her husband at 60. For years, she lived alone, her health slipping, her smile fading. Until one morning, she whispered to herself, "If I'm still breathing, I've still got time." That day, she made a promise to rebuild herself, one habit at a time, and those 5 habits became her daily secrets. Secret number 1, she starts her day with 20 minutes of reset silence. Every morning at 6, Eleanor wakes up, no phone, no TV, no noise, just warm lemon water and silence. No meditation app, no chanting, just peace. When I lost my husband, she says, silence used to scare me. Now it heals me. Those 20 minutes reset her mind, lower her stress, and remind her that she's still strong. That's her first win of the day, and it shows on her face before she even puts on her shoes. Secret number 2, she eats like food is medicine. When Eleanor turned 70, she had high blood pressure. The doctor gave her pills, but she said, "Let me try food first." Now she eats like every bite builds her future. Her breakfast? Oatmeal, 1 boiled egg, and blueberries. Lunch? Baked salmon, brown rice, and steamed broccoli. Dinner? Homemade soup and a few almonds. No sugar except 1 small piece of dark chocolate at night. "I don't eat to fill my stomach," she says. "I eat to feed my energy." Within a year, her blood pressure dropped, her energy rose, and her skin started glowing again. No miracle diet, just balance, gratitude, and consistency. Secret number 3, she moves even when she doesn't feel like it. At 80, most people slow down. Eleanor decided to speed up. Every morning after breakfast, she walks 2 miles by the ocean. If it rains, she stretches indoors. If her knees hurt, she dances slowly in her living room. "I don't work out for looks," she says. "I move so I can keep moving." When her husband died, she could barely climb stairs. Now she can climb hills and even do 10 push-ups. Movement, she says, is her real anti-aging secret, because her blood still moves like she's alive. And she's right. Even 30 minutes of daily activity keeps your muscles younger by years. She doesn't exercise for vanity. She moves for freedom, and freedom looks good on her. Secret number 4, she talks to 1 new person every day. This is the one most people ignore, but Eleanor says it's the reason her heart stays young. Every single day, she speaks to 1 new person. Sometimes it's her mailman, sometimes the barista at the cafe, sometimes a college student she meets on the boardwalk. She asks about their life, their goals, their music, and she listens, really listens. You can't stay young if your world gets smaller, she says. After her husband's death, loneliness almost destroyed her. Now everyone in town knows her as the Sunshine Lady. Science agrees human connection releases dopamine and strengthens your immune system. Eleanor doesn't use anti-aging creams. She uses conversation. She stays young by staying connected. Secret number 5, she writes 1 promise to tomorrow every night. Before bed, Eleanor lights a small candle and opens her notebook. On the first page, she wrote, 20 years ago, "This is not a diary. This is a conversation with my future self." Every night she writes 1 simple line, "One thing I'll do tomorrow." Sometimes it's bake cookies for my neighbor. Sometimes plant new flowers. Sometimes walk without my phone. "If I stop dreaming about tomorrow," he says, "I'll start fading today." That 1 line, that single promise, keeps her heart excited for the next sunrise. It gives her purpose, and purpose, she believes, is the real fountain of youth. So why does this 80-year-old woman look 40? Because she doesn't chase youth, she builds it 1 day at a time. She begins her day in silence, eats like food is medicine, moves to stay free, talks to stay alive inside, and dreams to keep her heart awake. Eleanor Grace didn't turn back time. She took control of it. If her story inspired you, hit like, share this with someone who's afraid of aging, and don't forget to subscribe, because you're never too old to start living young. Age isn't your enemy, routine is.